Sigma Laser next. We empower quality and deliver growth. Laser marking machine has varied application that is versatile enough to use on any metals. SLN SIGMARK is widely used for marking on stainless steel for the purpose of marking of logo on kitchenware items such as pressure cookers, pots and pans. It is further used in industries like bathware for marking of logo on faucets, pipes and valves. Stainless steel and SS alloys are commonly used in the field of surgicals, which is further used for marking of branding and specifications. Stainless steel has wide applications, therefore high-quality marking on it is a must. Food and beverages industry needs high-quality logo and barcode markings. Furnitures can showcase beautiful patterns via marking from SLN SIGMARK. Aluminium is widely used in industries for its lightweight and durability. SLN SIGMARK is used for marking on aluminium and aluminium alloys in varied industries such as electronics, automobiles, kitchenware and furniture. SLN SIGMARK can give high-quality white and black markings. They are used for the purpose of marking serial numbers, 2D/3D codes, or codes and logo on parts and products. Traceability is an integral part of modern industry. SLN SIGMARK fits the bill perfectly for the job. It gives you smooth and quality marking within seconds every single time. It is ergonomic as well as a time saver. Copper conducts electricity and heat excellently. It is easy to process and is extremely durable. But the laser marking of copper presents users with major challenges. Copper's properties make it a challenging material for lasers. It is highly reflective and absorbs very little light. However, users can still benefit from laser marking when applying serial numbers, data matrix codes and other markings to copper components. Achieving the highest quality and durability of markings on copper requires laser power to be focused on a small area. Thus, SLN SIGMARK can be used for fine and deep engraving as well as dark markings on copper. Permanent legibility is essential for serial numbers, labels and logos for multiple industries such as electricals, machinery and machine tools, construction, kitchenware, plumbing, and pumps. Copper is well known for its use in electrical wires, because the material has two main features, low hardness, and high conductivity. It is also commonly used for plumbing fittings. It is used for labeling spare parts for maintenance of inventory. Black marking of stainless steels offers a unique combination of advantages that explain the fast-growing demand for this process in reusable medical devices, consumer appliances and other products. Furthermore, multiple industries uses it for logo marking. Apart from that, it is also used in gifts and signage industries and interior decorations for its aesthetic look and high-quality marks as well as creativity to use it anywhere and everywhere. Color laser marking is a new type of laser marking process. At present, this technology can only mark color patterns on stainless steel. Stainless steel products are often marked with numbers, barcodes, two-dimensional code, patterns, etc. Laser is applied to stainless steel material, can also produce colorful colors, in the color of stainless steel endlessly used in construction, automotive, arts and crafts and other fields today. It is also utilized in creative fields such as gifts, awards, and trophies, personalized items and interior decoration. It is easy to use and operate with negligible need for maintenance, which makes it easy for anyone to operate. When it comes to marking aluminum, the most common laser process is laser etching. With this process, you can mark anodized aluminum on the surface of the anodized layer. The result of laser etching is a mark that has a high contrast.